What's up guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be doing a quick overview and an install on these Putco door sills for the F150. Now these are available for F150s with both a Super Crew and a Super Cab, so no matter what option you have, there's something that's going to fit for you. And basically what you get is these stainless steel door sills that have a black anodized finish on them, which looks really nice. And it's similar to like a black chrome finish, so it's reflective, but it's darker than just a standard chrome. And they also feature the F150 logos in there, which are laser etched, so they're nice and clean, and it's not just a decal that's going to rub off. Now, with that, on the back, they simply just have some 3M adhesive applied to them, so these are going to be pretty easy to install, but it is nice that they use an authentic good adhesive and there's not any kind of gimmicky cheap tape or anything that goes with it. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and take this and throw it on our truck real quick. All right, guys. So, as I said before, this install is going to be pretty easy, and install might be overdoing it a little bit, but the first thing you want to do is make sure that your actual door sills are clean in your truck. So we're on the driver's side. There's really not a lot of dirt here anyways, but I'm going to take a microfiber towel that's just got a little bit of water on it and wipe this down a bit. Now, if you do have some more mud and grime and stuff on here, you may want to scrub it a little bit more to make sure you get it perfectly clean, but it's also one of those things you want to watch out for because you don't want to use any sort of cleaner that's going to leave a residue that would prevent the adhesive from actually sticking. So with a little bit of water and just kind of a quick wipe down there, we're pretty well set. And now we can actually take the door sill itself. And as I said before, we've got the 3M adhesive on the back. So we're going to go ahead and just peel this off. There we go. And with the adhesive exposed, this actual plate is just a little bit shorter, about a ½ inch shorter on each side than the actual plastic door sill that's up here. So when you line it up, you can either line it up with that edge and it'll be shorter on one end, or you can kind of center it in the middle, which is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna try and kind of center it up on the plastic sill, but you wanna go ahead and make sure this top lip is the first thing that sticks. So we've got it about where we want it there. Get that top lip on so the corners kind of line up. Then put a little pressure there, and then push the flat section on the front down. And you may need to just give it a little bend slightly. Sometimes they're not perfectly contoured right out of the box. So just push it to where that adhesive is sticking down. So with it all set in place just like that, I think it's good to go. I will say that if you guys get these out of the box, you will have a protective film over the front of them, and you probably want to leave that on while you're applying it, just so when you're putting pressure or rubbing this, you're not going to scuff up that finish right off the bat. Obviously, we removed ours just so we could show you the finish before we installed it. But with that being said, pretty simple, and you'll just do the same install on the other four corners, and that's all it takes. As usual, guys, thank you for watching, and if you're interested in picking up a set of these sill plates for your truck, you can head down the description below, click that link, it'll shoot you over to our website, and also make sure you hit subscribe while you're down there so you don't miss any of the other content that we're always cranking out, and I'll see you guys next time.